Good morning friends. Today we are going to start the dam proofing topic in the BPD subject. So this is the session 3 in the CO1. Okay, this is the last topic for the CO1. We'll see what is the dam proofing and all. So what is dam proofing, and we are the different causes of dam proofing. So dampness is nothing but the presence of hygroscopic or gravitational moisture. Okay, the moisture will be attracted from the environment. Okay, so building should remain dry or free from the moisture traveling through the walls, roofs and floors. Otherwise there is a gaps will form. The moisture will go into the from that gaps the crack. After moisture is entering the structure, what will happen? There is a surface cracks will form. That surface cracks will be okay, but the surface cracks will be prolonged into the structural cracking also. The structural cracking is not at all tolerable. We have to arrest the dampness. Okay, dampness gives the unhygienic conditions apart from the reduction in the its strength of structural components. Provision of the damp proofing courses prevents the entry of the moisture in the building. Okay, moisture raising up the wall from the ground. So how it will be moisture from the ground to the wall, how it will reach? Say all the structures are founded on the soils. Okay, next if the soil is pervious, moisture constantly traveling through it. Even the impervious soil, lot of soil moisture may be present. This moisture rise up to the wall and floors through capillary action. Okay, there is a capillary action in the building surface, like what you study in the fluid mechanics, right? Same, that capillary action will be applicable here. Groundwater rise also result in the moisture entry into the building through the walls. Okay, rain level through the wall tops. So this is second type of dampness. Okay, if the wall tops are properly protected from the rain penetration, rain will enter into the wall and will travel down. Leaking proofs will also permit the water to enter. So next, coming to the third one, the rain beating against the external wall. So we have surface having every structure having internal walls and external walls, right? So external walls directly attract to the rain watering. That rain watering also will enter into the walls and it will it is started to transferring, like your balconies will be there and sajjas will be there. That sajjas and balconies will allow the water into the walls. So there the dampness will start to spoil the structure. Next, condensation. Okay, condensation is nothing but due to the condensation of the atmospheric moisture, water is deposited in the walls and floors and ceilings. This moisture causes the dampness. Okay, so what are the effects of dampness? What will happen to the structure? See, dampness gives the rise of breeding of mosquitoes and create the unhealthy conditions, and travel of moisture on the wall causes the unsightly patches. It may be cause the softening and crumping of the plasters. Wall decoration or paints will be damages. Continuous presence of moisture in the wall may be causes the efflorescence and result in the disintegration of bricks and stones will be there. So efflorescence is nothing but the white patches will form in the surface, right? That is called efflorescence. Flooring gets the loosened and due to the reduction in the addition when the moisture enters to the floors. So these are the different types of effects to the structure. What are the different types of damp proofing? How we have to arrest the moisture? So first one is the use of damp proofing course. Membrane damp proofing will be there, but for this first one. And next is that integral damp proofing, and third is the surface damp proofing. Cavity wall construction and gunting will be there, and pressure grouting will be there. So next, these are the different types of methods of damp proofing. We'll see one by one. What is the damp proofing? See here, DPC may be a bitumen or asphalt, maybe combination. We can go with the damp proofing by using of these materials. Okay, so next, integral damp proofing will be consist of adding certain waterproofings also. Components may be from chalks, fullers, earthworks. So all will be you can use for the damp proofing materials. Okay, next we have to go with the surface treating with the uh, surface treating we have to done for the layers of water repellents and substance on the surface through the moisture entrance. So we have to go with the damp proofing with the surface of wall. So next, cavity wall construction we have to do. The cavity wall will be construction by using of cavity wall. We can reduce the damp proofing also. Notice grunting is nothing but this consists of deposition of layers of rich cement mortar by pressure. So if you take the injection of the cement mortar by using of force, we have to do. So 1:3 mortar we have to prepare, and we have to apply the mortar continuously for 10 days. Next, pressure grouting will be depends upon the noise of the pressure grouting guns. Okay, materials for the damp proofing will be these are different materials will be there. So one is the should be perfectly impervious and non-permit the moisture penetration, should be durable life, and having superimposed loads we have to reduce, like that we have to do. So hard bitumen will be there. That hard bitumen also you can go with the layer of 3 mm thickness. Next, mastic asphalt. Asphalt also you can use for the mixing of bitumen, sand and mineral layers. Okay, next bitumen layer we have to form with the 10 centimeter layer that has to be mixed with the cement mortar. Next, metal sheets we have to take, but the metal sheet weight should not be more than for 20 kg per each square meters. Okay, next this metal sheet will be minimum thickness of copper, having thickness of 3 mm we have to use. Next, the combination of sheets and bitumen, that is also okay, but it will be costly. Next, the brick will be there. The brick also will add to the load to the structure. Okay, so jointing of bricks will be kept open. Stones you can use for the 1:3 mortar by using of stone dam proof 1:3 mortar you have to use. Next, mortar you can use for the cement mortar or any ply mortar also you can use. Next, cement mortar will be 1:2:4 you can use for the, or 1:11 by 2, that means 5.5 by 3. So this is very not useful for actually. 1:2:4 is the M15 grade of concrete. Okay, actually. Plastic sheet you can use. The plastic sheet having length will be available of 20 meters, that you can go for the you can make it to pieces also, depends upon the size of the room. The thickness, having the thickness of plastic sheets will be 0.5 mm to 1 mm will be there. Okay, there are the different treatments in the building. So one is the treatment of foundation against the gravitational water. So we have to go with the put the dewatering techniques will be there, that will be discussed in the further classes in detail. So this is the air drains will be there, like treatment of basement also we have to do. Next, how we have to do the drains in the dam proofing course. This is the dam proofing course picture, we will see in detail in the next class. So these are the layouts of the structure. Okay, thank you.